In this video, we describe research testing innovative adaptive learning and perceptual learning technology and its successful application to science and math learning in both laboratory and real-world learning settings. Our research has produced ARTS, Adaptive Response Time-Based Sequencing, a new way to customize learning for each individual student using computerized algorithms that leverage well-known scientific principles of learning and memory. Some of this work leverages and builds upon earlier work in perceptual learning. Experts in domains as diverse as chess, radiology, aviation, and athletics have learned to see information and patterns that to a beginner may be invisible or meaningless. Perceptual learning technology accelerates this process, quickly bringing students from the level of novice to expert using software that engages the learner interactively to recognize, detect, and distinguish relevant structure. Adaptive learning amplifies these effects, tracking and personalizing learning for each learner. Suppose you're taking a chemistry course and need to learn names, formulas, and charges for a set of ions. You may try to learn these by rereading your text and notes, watching an online video, highlighting information, or studying right before the test. But on the test, you find yourself drawing a blank or confusing some of the items you thought you knew. Worse yet, a few weeks later, you can only remember a few of them. What happened? Scientists who study learning and memory know a lot about how to improve learning strength. Two principles are really important here. One is that learning is most benefited by actively remembering something rather than passively reviewing it, meaning testing yourself on something is better than just reading about it. This is called the testing effect. The second principle is known as spacing. You'll remember something better if your learning is spread out over time, with other things mixed in between. Waiting until you've almost forgotten something before testing yourself will give you the biggest boost in memory. But how can a student pressed for time figure out the best study schedule for all the different pieces of information they're trying to learn? Our research has led to adaptive algorithms that combine interactive learning with methods that optimize spacing dynamically in accord with the student's changing progress, strengths, and weaknesses. This algorithm uses the speed and accuracy of the learner's responses to continuously adjust spacing and sequencing for each learning item or category. The ARTS system is unique in that it uses reaction time as an ongoing indicator of learning strength. It also uses objective mastery criteria to make sure that every student reaches a given level of proficiency. The ARTS system has been studied with different kinds of learning, fact learning and perceptual learning, in the lab and in real-world education settings, with a variety of content, including community college chemistry, elementary math, and medical education. The benefits of the ARTS software have been shown through comprehensive studies and results from comparisons of adaptive learning technology with alternative learning strategies. Want to know more about our research and the POMs we've developed? Contact us.